My name is your friend SJ. My name is your friend SJ. What's up, beautiful people? My name is Sarah Jane, and today marks day 4 of Abs, where we work out our abs every single day for 21 days straight with no skip. If you're new here and you're just joining the challenge, welcome. You can check out the last couple of videos right here. The objective of Abs is for us to consistently work out our abs for 21 days straight for the remaining 21 days of 2018, so that our waist can be looking snatched for the new year. On day 2, I reported feeling tired and fatigued because this was something I wasn't really used to after skipping out in the gym for a couple of days. But I'm happy to report that my body is feeling so much better. That's a result of me working out consistently with no skips. And so I'm really starting to feel changes and differences in my lower ab section, and I can't wait to see what happens by the end of this challenge. So that's all, folks. No more long talk. Let's get into it.
So remember how I said yesterday how I was really starting to love planks and they were the most amazing exercise ever? I take it back. These were horrible and extremely painful, but that's how you know they're working, right? The next exercise you see me doing here is called the leg up toe reach, and you just have to be sure to contract your core and you'll really start to feel the burn in your lower abs. I enjoyed this exercise a lot today because it was just really simple. I just had to focus on contracting my abs and carry out the exercise. I did not love the scissor kicks today. Today's hardest exercise, I'll say, was the scissor kicks. This was my favorite exercise of the entire day, this simple crunch kick, and I like anything that allows me to work my obliques, and so in this fashion we were able to work out my obliques, and I enjoyed the entire exercise. And so the final exercise for today were crunch kicks, and again they were kind of similar to an exercise that we did yesterday, but you just have to make sure to keep your core tight and extend your legs slowly to control the movement. It might not seem like I was extending them slowly in this clip, but that's because this clip is sped up. But you really want to make sure that you focus on extending your legs and bringing them back slowly to fully get a range of motion that will cause there to be change and contraction of your muscles in your abs.
So that's all, folks. Today wraps up day 4 of Abs, where we work out our abs every single day for 21 days straight with no skips. If you've missed an exercise thus far, don't worry about it, but make it a point to not skip another one. The whole goal of this challenge is for us to consistently work out our abs in order for us to see a change. And if you're out here skipping days, you might not be able to see the same level of success as someone who keeps at it consistently. This has been day 4. My name is Sarah Jane, and I am documenting the process.